Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open the app and the system settings, then navigate to notifications. Tap the app and enable the main toggle so the system will accept alerts. Once done, grant permissions for sounds, badges, and banners. These let notifications appear on lock screen and in the notification center. Make sure to disable Do Not Disturb or add an exception so you can test immediately. These first steps ensure the OS will deliver messages to your app. Now configure the app's internal settings. Choose the types of alerts you want, messages, reminders, or critical updates, and set their priority. On Android, create or edit notification channels and assign importance. This controls sound and interruption level. On iOS, adjust alert styles and critical alerts if available. Once channels and preferences are set, customize appearance. Sound, vibration LED, and lock screen visibility so each alert behaves as you expect. These middle steps fine-tune delivery and user experience. To finish, send a test notification from the app or server and observe exactly how it appears. If it doesn't show, inspect background data settings, battery optimization, and network access. These often block delivery. Make sure the device has cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity and that the app is allowed to run in background. If problems persist, reboot the device, regrant permissions, clear app cache, or reinstall the app. This resolves most issues. One key tip: check notification channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.